Hi guys, it's Mirza with Bold City Heating and Air, and today we're discussing indoor air quality and how to maintain a healthy indoor air quality in your home. So if you have allergies, if you have pets, infants, you might be sensitive to the dust, pet dander, and viruses in your home. So maintaining a healthy air is going to be key. Well, it starts with a very simple thing. That's going to be filtration. Changing your filters on time and keeping a clean air filter goes a long way. Prevents many possible failures of your system, but also the filter will trap any contaminants, pet dander, dust, and anything you might be allergic to. But to kind of take an extra step and make sure that your family is healthy and that you're taking something that's gonna kill some bacteria, prevent mold growth, there's a few solutions that we have for you. A basic and the least expensive option would be a UV bulb in your coils. That will prevent any microbial growth in your cabinet, in your air handler, and your coils. It's a great way to keep it clean and to just have a peace of mind. If you'd like to take an additional step, we have a great solution for air purification. This one is the AirNight. It does an exceptional job purifying your air, getting rid of bacteria, odors, VOCs, anything that might harm your health and lower the indoor air quality of your home. Now, an equivalent product that we sell that's as exceptional is going to be the Rheem Halo. The Rheem Halo actually is a very similar application to the AirNight. It does a great job killing bacteria, mold, and viruses, making sure that you and your family have clean indoor air. We also offer duct cleaning services. So coupling, good timely filter changes with a great product such as the AirNight or the Rheem Halo, coupled with our duct cleaning, will ensure that your indoor air quality keeps you and your family safe. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and product overviews. And as always, give us a call if we can be at any help. Thank you and stay bold.